The Volvo XC90 key fob design is consistent across generations for battery replacement. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to avoid scratching the casing. Insert the tool into the seam of the key fob, typically located at the keyring end. Gently pry the two halves of the case apart. Avoid using excessive force, as the casing is held together by clips. For older models with a physical key blade, ensure the blade isn't damaged during this process. Once open, you'll access the battery compartment. Inside the key fob, you'll find a coin cell battery, typically a 3-volt CR232 lithium battery. CR2025 may also be compatible in some models. Note the orientation of the old battery. The positive side, marked with a plus, usually faces up. Carefully remove the old battery and insert the new one, ensuring the correct polarity. Incorrect polarity can damage the key fob. After replacing the battery, reassemble the key fob by pressing the two halves of the casing back together until they click. Test the key fob's functionality by pressing the buttons to ensure it's working correctly. A properly replaced battery should restore functions like remote start, lock-unlock, and panic alarms. Remember to recycle your old batteries.